Hello, lovely ladies of the London Business Society. I have now posted my newly received digital badge and certificate onto my LinkedIn profile, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it so you can do it too. So the first thing you need to do is you go onto your profile and navigate down to the bit where it says licenses and certifications and press on the plus button. Now you need to have your certificate and your badge ready to be able to put things in easily. So here is my certificate. What I can do is I can find the title and copy and paste that into LinkedIn because that's going to be the name of the certificate I've received. Now, the very important thing when it comes to the issuing organization is you pick up the London Business Society. And if you click on the London Business Society logo, the lovely Timea will have a link to you, and that's important for both of you. The month is January. And the year is 2025, of course. Your certificates don't expire, so you don't need to worry about that. But what you do need to do is look at the certificates. On your certificate, you will find a certificate ID. So that's the one you want to pick up and copy into the certificate credential ID field. URL that you want to use is actually the URL of this entire document, which is in the email, but it is also in your browser. When it comes to skills, you can pick a number of skills. Ideally, it is a skill that you already have recorded on your LinkedIn profile. And in my case, for example, I'm just going to say business leadership. Here we go. I could do that if I'm going to add the business leadership skill, because that's part of my leadership skills armory. And when it comes to the last bit, adding media, this is where you download your little image file, the badge file, and you upload it here. So again, here's one I made earlier so I can upload it here now. Give the title, not just the file name. So in this case, you might want to call it Power Wardrobe Workshop. For the description, you can pick any type of text. What I would recommend is that you pick the text in the middle of your certificate because it tells a little bit about what the event was all about. Another suggestion, if you want, you can pick the outcome text from your certificates. As you can see, your certificates will have described your learning aims, your skills you acquired, and in particular outcomes. So in my case, I will be using this bit, which is additional information about the event. I've already posted this, so I'm not going to press the apply button, but when this is all posted on LinkedIn, it will appear in your licenses and certifications. You can see that it's now on the business and women part. Wardrobe, you can see the link in there, but most importantly, the algorithm can see it. It's now linking to one of your skills and the organization where you acquired it. So good luck and let me know if you have any questions.